Here we have a 2020 FXFBS Softail Fat Bob in Barracuda Silver Denim. Bar and Chill logo on the tank on this side. Has the Harley-Davidson logoing on the other side. Does come with the Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine. Super powerful, crisp throttle response. We have some forward control pegs. Does have a preload adjustable monoshock. Easily adjust with that dial there. Also has passenger peg and pillion. Just take someone along for the ride. Bullet turn signals in the rear. 114 badging on the derby. This does have a side fill gas cap, so when you're at the gas station, you get a fuller tank, on the road longer. And we're looking at 13,657 miles on the odometer. Has these low drag bars. And this iconic Fat Bob square headlight, LED. Inverted front forks for more confidence when riding, and dual disc brakes. Let's go ahead and hear cold start.